Hello, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this episode, we'll be exploring the transformational role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the maintenance and operations sector. We'll also discuss how these technologies are changing the way we work and the potential they hold for our future. We'll demystify the phenomenon of Chat GPT, a groundbreaking AI technology, and its implications for our industry. Plus, we'll provide some guidance on how to navigate this evolving landscape successfully. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, or just intrigued by AI and machine learning, this is a video you don't want to miss. You've probably heard about Chat GPT, an AI technology that's been making waves around the globe. It's part of a suite of sophisticated AI and machine learning tools that can sift through terabytes of data, creating original content like never before. These technologies are so advanced that they can now write academic papers, pass medical licensing exams, conduct research, and even draft legal briefs faster than humans. This development has the potential to put millions of jobs at risk. But don't worry, this isn't the first time we've seen this kind of shift. Every new era brings changes to the way we work. As business processes become more efficient, many low-skilled jobs disappear, often replaced by machines or automation. But this also opens up opportunities for employee education and training, helping workers upskill for higher-level jobs. This can lead to increased wages and improved standards of living. Now, this AI and machine learning revolution is reaching maintenance, reliability, and operations. We're on the brink of a new era in how we work in factories, healthcare facilities, farms, and the world at large. The key to navigating this shift successfully lies in harnessing the power of data. Maintenance teams now have access to more IoT, ERP, and technical data than ever before. But this data is often siloed and fragmented across different systems, leading to misaligned perspectives and decisions. Without the right infrastructure, this data problem will only get worse. Analysts predict that IoT devices alone will transmit more than 73 zettabytes of data over the next 5 years, a 422% increase. If we don't use this data effectively, we're holding ourselves back from the next evolution of how we should be working. To tap into the power of AI and machine learning technologies like Chat GPT, we need to solve this problem of explosive yet siloed data. We need to automate away low-skill, low-paying tasks and create opportunities for our employees to level up to better jobs that require critical thinking and creativity. This will lead to greater strides in reliability, safety, and understanding of asset criticality. The first shift we need to make is in how we view maintenance, reliability, and operations. These can no longer be separate teams with unique goals. Instead, we need to move towards a single team focused on common goals around asset operations management. To do this, organizations need to create an integrated and centralized data ecosystem. This system should be able to collect and extract data from all business applications, sensors, and PLCs. It should standardize data from different sources into a common data model with customized metrics. And it should load the resulting asset data into business-critical systems to support real-time decisions. With this vast amount of data at our fingertips, AI and machine learning technologies like Chat GPT can find more ways to support business growth and automation. And our human teams can elevate their work from completing unconnected tasks to adding value, generating revenue, and supporting growth for the entire organization. Thank you for watching this episode. We've discussed the transformational role of AI and machine learning in the maintenance and operations sector, and how we can harness these technologies to improve our work processes and outcomes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team navigate this evolving landscape, visit us at upkeep.com. Let's embrace the potential of AI and machine learning together and level up the maintenance role.